Hi, dear friends. Uh, we had started a series on cough, and two sessions has been completed in which we had discussed about calicarb and rumex. Today, I am going to share my experience with a Spongia toasta. A Spongia toasta, by name, as it suggests, a sponge. What idea do you form by a sponge? A sponge is used when there is moisture and it takes the moisture inside and keeps the surface dry. That is the characteristic of a sponge. And by this analogy, you apply it in the cuff. So, cuff of a spongia, you will find a lot of dryness, extreme dryness. There is no moisture at all, and that's why in Borike we will find that in the literature of in Spongia toasta we will find that shisha type of cuff. The sound of the cuff is like shisha. Shisha means वो जो आरे से हम लोग लकड़ी के कुंदे को काटते हैं और वो उससे जो जैसी साउंड होती है वह साउंड कफ की साउंड होगी, माने इतना ड्राइनेस होगा, सो मच ड्राइनेस. So if there is so much dryness, as if there is no moisture at all, and the cough is paroxysmal type of cough, the center of gravity is throat. There is sensation as if the throat will scrape because of the cough. There is roughness, dryness, rawness in the throat, and along with that you will see that because of the coughing there is a burning in the entire region of respiratory tract. If these things are you find in cough, Spongia toasta is the remedy. And one remarkable modality of Spongia toasta in cough, despite all this dryness, burning, the cough and pain is ameliorated by warm application, drinking warm thing, applying warm thing on the throat, on chest. It will give some relief. So it is indicative in all those cases where Vicks are applied and after externally applied, and patient is saying that I am getting relief after Vicks. Now the cough is not ameliorated by Vicks, but the warmth has given for a time being amelioration. And not only of Vicks, anything, anything like warm oil application or taking warm drink, taking tea, all these things, if they that giving it a warmth to the that is giving warmth to the patient, and that one is giving a sort of relief. Think of Spongia toasta. This is also indicative in arsenic, but the cough of arsenic is different type of cough. The cough of arsenic is not that much dry as you will find in Spongia toasta. So the first remarkable thing of Spongia toasta is dryness, extreme dryness of the cough. Second, the affinity to the throat, where you will find the roughness, scrapiness, and you will third thing you will see the entire respiratory tract. There is sensation of burning, and the fourth modality warmth amelioration. If this combination of four you will find in any cough, give Spongia toasta. It works fantastically. I had a I had a cough case of lady around 60 years old, and she had taken milk, cold milk from the fridge, and after that she had started coughing, and she said that the cough is very hard. She has a spellbound cough, paroxysmal cough, and she did that said that after applying of Vicks externally over the chest and throat, she is getting some relief. So here the causation was cold milk, and cold milk, cold milk causing cough. Aspergia toasta is very indicative in that. And there is a modality of Spongia toasta where the warmth giving amelioration. Spongia toasta in this case was given in 30 potency and it worked very beautifully. The lady got relief very soon. In another case, a young lady of around 30, she got cold, and after getting cold she started catarrh symptom. Thereafter coryza developed. She had taken some homeopathic medicine but nothing worked. When she came to me, I observed the cough was very dry. There was no expectoration at all, and she told me that whenever she is coughing she is experiencing pain in the throat. The pain was of burning type of pain, and she said that taking warm drink giving her relief for some time. Now the cough is not ameliorating, but the pain is being relieved by that. On this basis, a Spongia toasta was prescribed, and a Spongia toasta reduced the cough very soon, worked very beautifully. So, dear friends, there are a long list of cases where Spongia toasta in cough had been prescribed and it had worked marvelously. So, you can also uh, uh, taste it in such cases of cough where there is a lot of dryness and there is throat affinity and amelioration by palm. Thank you very much for watching me. Do share this video. Do like, subscribe, do comment. Your comment and uh, will encourage me to make further videos. Thank you very much once again.